What's up, y'all? This is a little bed and breakfast. I've always wanted to go back here. I've never been back here. Someone I know wanted to have their wedding back here, but I think they said that, holy shit. I think they said that it was like super expensive. I'm not quite sure. It looks a little pricey there, y'all. The hell? It's like a haunted mansion back this bitch. If like people live back here. Who knows? This is crazy. Oh, look at this place. Beautiful. Oh, there's something going on. Wow. It's probably a wedding or... There's like little statue. There's a football statue. Weird. What do you see, Raven? It's probably a wedding of some sort. Although I was always told, don't ever get married in September. It's like the worst month, because it means it's the end. 9 in numerology is the end. Oh, look how cute. So basically, if you get married in September, like, this is just what they're saying. But if you get married in September, like, your marriage is ended before it even has begun. Because it means, like, the end. Something like that. But that's an old wives' tale. Oh, look at these little, I guess, like, people live on the grounds. Oh, wow. Is that a Fiat? Yo, if that's a convertible Fiat, I'm down, dude. I'm down. I'm down for that. Gramercy Mansion. Shit looks a little haunted to me, but whatever. Baby, I like it. Ew, that's terrible. That is a terrible, terrible. Bridge. Terrible bridge. Alright, y'all. I just wanted to see what that place looked like. I hope everyone has a wonderful day. And don't forget to subscribe. Love you. Peace.